Understanding PowerPoint presentation and purposes of IT. A PowerPoint presentation is a visual aid tool used to communicate information, ideas, and stories in a concise and engaging manner. It typically consists of a series of slides, each containing text, images, graphics, and other multimedia elements. The purpose of a PowerPoint presentation can vary, but common goals included informing or education audience about a topic, persuading or convincing other of a point of view, entertaining or engaging audience, training or teaching new skills or knowledge, presenting research findings or data insights, promoting a product, service, or idea, facilitating meetings, discussions, or workshops. Effective PowerPoint presentations helps to organize or structure content, visualize complex information, enhance audience engagement and retentions, support storytelling and narratives, provide a professional polished appearances. By harnessing the power of PowerPoint presenter can convey their message with clarity, impact, and style. So what is PowerPoint? What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a popular presentation software developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create, design, and display slide-based presentations combining text, images, graphics, and other multimedia elements. PowerPoint is widely used for various purposes such as business presentations, educations, lectures, training sessions, sales pitch, conferences, meeting, marketing, advising, personal project. So PowerPoint offers a range of features including slide templates and themes, text and font options, image and graphics editing tools, transactions and animations, audio and video support, collaborations and sharing capabilities. PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office suites and is available for both Windows and Mac OS operating system. It has become an standard tool for creating engaging and professional looking presentation. So creating slides in PowerPoint. See, to create slides in PowerPoint, you have to follow these steps. Open PowerPoint and click on the blank presentation template. Choose a theme or template to customize your slides design. Click on the home page or tab and select new slides to add new slides. Choose a slide layout from the options provided. Add content to your slides including text, images, graphs, tables, charts, etc. Format your content using options like font, size, color, and alignment. Use the insert tab to tab multimedia elements like audio, video, links. Customize your slides designs with themes, backgrounds, and transitions. Repeat the process to create multiple slides. Organize your slides by dragging and dropping them in the slide plane. Tips. See, there are some tips which we have to follow in your mind. Use clear and concise heading and bullet points. Keep your slides visually appeal and balanced. Use images and graphics to support your message. Proofread and edit your content carefully. So by following these steps, you can create effective and engaging slides in PowerPoint. So there are some tips for creating effective presentations. Define your object. So clearly determine the purpose and message of your presentation. Know your audience. Understand their needs, interests, and level of understanding. Keep it simple. Use clear language, concise bullet points, and avoid jargons. Visualize your message. Use relevant image, chart, and graph to support your points. Organize your content. Use a logical structure and clear transitions between slides. Make it engaging. Use stories, examples, and interactive elements to keep your audience engaged. Practice your delivery. Rehearse your presentation to ensure confidence and clarity. Use design principles. Apply principles like contrast, alignment, repetitions to create visuals appealing slides. Use color effectively. Choose color that are consistent with your brand and message. Get feedback. Ask for feedback from others to improve your presentation skills. Keep it concise. Respect your audience time and attention span. Use technology wisely. Use presentation software for tools to enhance your presentation, not distract from it. By following steps, you can create presentation that engage, inform, and persuade your audience. So what do you mean by an introduction to PowerPoint? So welcome to PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a powerful presentation software that allows you to create engaging and professional looking presentation. With PowerPoints, you can create slides with text, images, and other multimedia elements. Design and customize your slides with various themes, templates, and layout. Add transitions and animations to enhance your presentations. Insert table charts and graphs to visualize data. Collaboration with others in real time. Present your slideshows in person or online. PowerPoint is widely used in various fields, including business, education, marketing, and many more. Whether you are creating a sales pitch, a lecture, or a personal project, PowerPoint provides the tools you need to communicate your message effectively. Let's get started and explore the world of PowerPoint. Would you like to learn first? So we will learn about benefits of using PowerPoint. So what are the benefits in PowerPoint? So first is visualizations communication. See, in visual communications, PowerPoint presentation effectively convey complex information through engaging visuals. Time saving. Create an added presentation quickly with pre-designed templates and drag and drop functionality. Professional appearance. Produce polished and professional looking presentations that impress audiences. Collaborations. Easily share and collaborate on presentation with other in real time. Engagement. Capture audience attention with interactive elements, animations, and multimedia. Organizations. Structure and the organize idea and informations in a clear and concise manner. Reusability. Repurpose and the update existing presentation to save time and effort. Consistency. Maintain brand consistency with customizable template and theme. Accessibility. Share presentation with a wider audience, including remote teams and clients. By leveraging these benefits, PowerPoint help you to communicate your message effectively and increase productivity to make a lasting impact on your audience. So, what types of presentations are there? There are various types of presentations, different types of presentations, which includes informative presentations. In this, you have to share the informations and explain a topic or update an audience. Persuasive presentation. In persuasive presentations, you have to just aim to convince the audience to adopt a point of view or take action. Training presentation teaches new skills, knowledge, or procedure. Sales presentations to promote a product, service, or idea to potential customer. Marketing presentations highlight a brand, product, or service to a target audience. Conference presentations present research finding or expertise at a conference or seminar. Pitch presentation. It is a type of brief, persuasive presentation to secure fundings, supports, and approval. Progress report presentations, which update stakeholders on project process and milestones and challenges. Educational presentations, which teaches students, pupils, or learners new concepts, subject, or skills. Entertaining presentations, it also engages the audience with the stories, anecdotes, or performance. So each type of presentation has its unique purposes, audiences, and approach. Understanding the types of presentations you are creating helps to tailor to content design and deliver to the effective engage of your audience. So what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a popular presentation software developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create, design, and display slides-based presentations combining text, images, graphs, and other multimedia elements. PowerPoint is widely used for various purposes such as business presentation, educational lectures, training sessions, sales pitch, conferences, meetings, marketing and advertising, personal projects. So PowerPoint offers a range of features including slide templates and themes, text and font options, image and graphic editing tools, transitions and animations, audio and video support, collaborations and sharing capabilities. So PowerPoint is the part of the Microsoft Office suite and it's available for both Windows and Mac OS operating system. It has become a standard tool for creating emerging or engaging the professional look presentation. So what do you mean by presentation software? Here I have some glimpse about software available, which is Vim, which is you offers a user's family interface with a wide range of tools enable both beginner and professionals to create engaging presentations. One is HakuDeck, which is provide non-sequential flows with topics and subtopics that are hidden until you zoom it on them. Prezi. Prezi is the offer or conversational types of zooming and moving around between information. Microsoft PowerPoint, a popular presentation software with a traditional sidebar interface that it is easy to use. Canva. It offers a wide selection of data widgets to creatively visualize statistics and figures. Google Slides, a free-to-use presentation software with a simple setup and a wide range of features. Keynotes, the native Apple presentation software that is similar to Google Slides and PowerPoint. Regus means a presentation tool with a clean interface and numerous integrations for importing various content. What is versatile tool? Here I have some examples of versatile tools. For example, screwdriver set, a set that includes flat heads and Phillips screwdrivers. Hammer can be used for breaking, shaping, and delicate. Adjust wrench can be used with the various nuts and bolt sizes. Can use for the marriage and task. Files can be used smoothing an edge or refining a shape. Level ensure accuracy and precision. Measuring tape allow you to easily and precisely measure length and breadth and height. So why you use PowerPoint? Effective communications. There are some different reasons which I included in this PowerPoint. So first is effective communication. Effective communications. PowerPoint helps present complex information in a clear and concise manner. Visual aids. Engaging visuals, images, and graphics helps retain audience attention and improve understanding. Professional appearance. PowerPoint presentation have a professional and polished look, making you and your organization appear incredible. Easy to use. PowerPoint is user-friendly even for those without extensive design or technical skills. Time saving. Quickly create an added presentation using pre-designed templates and drag and drop functionality. Collaboration. Easy share and collaborate on presentation with other in real time. Customization. Tailor your presentation to your brand and message with customizable templates and themes. Engagement. Add interactive elements, animations, and multimedia to keep your audience engaged. Reusability. It is the repurpose and the update existing presentation to save time and effort. Compatibility. PowerPoint presentation can be easily shared and viewed across different devices and platforms. Overall, PowerPoint is a powerful tool for creating engaging and effective presentation that communicate your message with impact. So, how do you organize information? PowerPoint provides several ways to organize information in a clear and concise manner, which is slides. See, in slides, break up information into individual slides, each focusing on a specific topic or idea. Section. Divide your presentation into sections using slide headers, footers, and selections titles. Bullet points. Use bullet point to list out the information in a concise and easy to read format. Table. Organize data into table to compare and contrast information. Charts and graphics. Visualize data using charts and graphics to show trends and patterns. Headings and subheadings. Use headings and subheadings to create a clear hierarchy of information. Image and icons. Use image and icons to support your message and break up text. List. Use numbered and bulleted list to present information in a clear and concise way. Transitions and animations. Use transitions and animations to guide the audience's attention through your presentation. Summary slides. Use summary slides to recap key points and reinforce your message. By using these features, you can effectively organize your information and create a clear, engaging presentation. So, how do you engage and inform? PowerPoint is an excellent tool for both engaging and informing your audience. Here, I have some ways to achieve this. First is engage. Visuals use high quality image, chart, and graph to capture attention. Animation, add subtle animation to empathize key points. Transitions, use smooth transitions to move between slides. Color, utilize a consistent color themes to evoke emotions. Fonts, select clear and readable fonts to convey your message. Inform, clear messaging concisely communicate your key points. Data visualizations, use charts, graphics, tables to illustrate data. Bullet points, organizations informations into easy to read lists. Images, use irrelevant images to support your message. Storytelling, tell a narrative that conveys your message. By combining these engaging and informative elements, you can create a compelling PowerPoint presentation that resonates with your audience. So, what do you mean by customization features? PowerPoint offers a wide range of customization features, which includes themes, and in themes, apply pre-designed themes to change the look and feel of your presentation. Second is template. Use built-in templates to create specific types of presentation, such as reports or proposal. Color theme. Select from a variety of color theme or create your own to match your brand. Fonts. Choose from a range of fonts or add your own to give your presentation a unique look. Images. Add your own images or build in graphics and icons. Shapes. Use shapes and illustrations to add visuals interest. Transitions and animations. See, customize transitions and animations to control the pace of your presentation. Master slides. Added master slides to apply consistent design elements throughout your presentation. Layout. Use pre-designed layout to arrange content on your slide. Custom graphics. Create custom graphics using PowerPoint built-in tools or uh, important them to from other programs. Icon library. Access a built-in library of icons to add visuals interest. Fonts and formatting. Controls font sizes, colors, and formatting to create a consistent look. So these customization features allow you to tailor your presentations, your brand, your audiences and messages, making it more powerful to tools for effective communication. So how you just creating slides in PowerPoints? Creating slides in PowerPoint. To create a slides in PowerPoint, follows these steps. C. Open PowerPoint. Then launch the PowerPoint applications. Choose a template. Select a template or themes to start with. Click on the Home tab. These tabs offer various slides layout options. Slide uh, Select a slide layout. Choose a layout that suits your content. Add content, type in text, insert image or other media. Customize edges, fonts, colors, and formatting as needed. Add more slides. Click on the new slide button to create additional slides. Rearrange slides, drag and drop slides to record them. Add it and refine it, make adjustments and additions to as needed. I have some tips you have to keep in mind. That use insert tab to add charts, tables, and others elements. Use the design tab to adjust the slide layout and theme. Use the transitions animation steps to add visual effects. Save frequently to avoid losing your control or work. So by following these steps, you have to create engaging and effective slides in PowerPoint. So selecting a slide layout, so you just think that how you selecting the slides layout when selecting a layout in the PowerPoint, which consider the followings to the purpose of the slide, determine the slide's purpose. For example, title slides, content slides, image slides. So content types, choose a layout that suits your content. Text, images, and tables charts. Number of elements. Select a layout that accommodates the number of elements you want to include. One page, multiple bullet points. Visual balance. See, you have to opt for a layout that provides visual balance and harmony. See, in this slide that I put the back photo, the back of the written notes. So this shows a very different work. So you have to put aside and you have to write your notes aside. So how you have to see, this is the visual balancing. So you have to opt for the layout, but that provide visual balance and harmony. So what is the consistency? Choose a layout that aligns with your presentation overall design and style. So this is the example which I has given you here. PowerPoint offers various built-in slides layout, including title slides, for example, presentation title slides, subtitles, content slides for text, and the image slides for single image, comparison slides for slide by side comparisons, chart slide for the chart and graphs, table slides for tables and data, text slide for text only content, blank slides, a blank canvas for custom design. So by selecting an appropriate slides layout, you can efficiently organize your content and create a clear and engaging presentation. Choosing the right slide layout. So by adding it, you are just adding the different texts, different PowerPoint is, and having the different slides which you are editing in, and having the test boxes which slides into organizing some different points. So now you have to choose the right slide layout. So by choosing the right slide layout, and this the selecting of the slide layout is, see, in this to, to choose the right slide layout, it follows these steps: defining the slide purposes, determining what you want to communicate with the slide, identify the content types that decided what type of content you want to include, the text, images, charts, table, etc. Consider the number of elements. Choose a layout that accommodates the number of elements you need to include. Think about visuals balance. Select a layout that provides visual balance and harmony. Check for consistency. Ensure the layout aligns with your presentation, overall designs, and style. Review the layout options. Browse PowerPoint built-in layout and select the one that fit your needs. Customize as needed. Adjust the layout to suit your content and design preferences. Some popular slides layout include the title slides for the presentation title, subtitle, image slides for a single image, content slide, it is for the text and images, comparison slides, it's for the side comparisons, chart slides, it's for the charts and the graphs, table slides, it's for the tables and the data, text slides is for the text only content, blank slide is for the canvas or custom design. So by following these steps, you can choose a slide layout that effectively communicate your message and enhance your presentation overall impact. So what do you mean by design element? See, in PowerPoint design element, it includes color. Color, you can use a consistent color scheme to enhance visual appeal and brand recognition. Fonts. Select fonts that are clear, readable, and consistent throughout the presentation. Images. Add relevant, high-quality image to support your message and engage your audience. Shapes. Use shapes and icons to add visual interest and illustrate concept. Textures and patterns. See, add textures and pattern to add depth and visual interest. Icons. Use icon to represent ideas, concept, and objectives. Graphics. Create custom graphics or use built-in graphics to illustrate complex information. Transitions and animations. Use transitions and animations to enhance the presentation's dynamics. Background. Choose background that complement your content and enhance visuals appeal. Themes. Apply pre-designed themes to quickly change the presentation's look and feel. Effective use of design element. It can enhance visual appeals, communicate your message more effectively, engage and retain your audience attentions, reinforce your brand identity, create a professional and polished appearance. So remember to balance design effective or more element to avoid overwhelming your audience. So by adding and editing text is to add and edit text in the PowerPoint, you have to follow some steps, which is adding the text. It is a select a slider to create a new one. Click on the insert tab in the ribbon. Click on the text box or use to the short key that is Alt Shift plus T. Draw the text box on the slide. Type in your text. So you can also edit in the text as select the text box or text shape, click on the home tab in the ribbon, use the font size, color and alignment tools to edit the text, use the bold, italic and underline buttons to format the text, use the spell check button to check for your spelling errors. Here I'm just adding some tips. Use the text tools to edit text directly on the slide. Use the Format tab to adjust text wrapping, spacing, and indentations. Use the Review tab to check for spelling and grammar errors. Use the Find and Replace tool to search for specific text and replace it with new text. So PowerPoint also offers advanced text editing features such as text styles and effects, text wrapping and spacing, columns and sections, text alignment and justifications, font embedded and linking. By mastering these text editing features, you can create a clear, concise, and visually appealing text in your PowerPoint presentation. So by adding and editing images, you can add the edit images in the PowerPoint follows some steps. So adding images means click on the insert tab in the ribbon on at the top of the screen. Select picture from the illustrations groups. Choose an image file from your computer or online sources. Click insert to add the image to your slides. Editing image. So you can also editing the image by clicking the select to it and use the picture tools to having the ribbons on the top of the screen. Adjust size and positions. Use the handles to resize and drag to the positions. Crop and trim. Use the crop tools to remove if you want to, if you don't want the unwanted parts, you can remove it. Adjust brightness and contrast. So use the adjust group to refine, tune the image. Add captions and borders. Use text and formal groups to add context and visual appeals. Save changes. Click save to your apply your edits. PowerPoint also offers advanced images editing features such as image corrections, which adjust color brightness and contrast, image enhancement, which is sharpen, soften, or remove noise, artists effects, which apply filters and transformations. By adding editing images and effectively, you can enhance your presentations, visuals, appeals, and communicate your message more effectively. So by adding images, you can also add in the images in PowerPoint. You can also insert from the computer, click insert picture and select the file from your computer. Insert from online source, click insert online pictures and search for images on Bing or OneDrive. Drag and drop, drag in unique or having image files from your computer that can drop into your slides. Copy paste, copy an image from another program and paste it into the PowerPoint. Use built-in images. PowerPoint offer a range of built-in images and icons. It also when adding images, consider the following: having the file format, which is PowerPoint support various formats including JPEG, PNG, GIF, PMT, so many more. Image size. See, large image can make your presentation file size increase. So consider resizing or comprising them. Resolutions. Use high resolution image for clear and crisp display. Copyright. Ensure you have the necessary permissions or license to use the image. By adding relevant and high quality image, you can enhance your presentation, visual appeals, and effectively communicate your message. What do you mean by online image source? So by here I have some websites that pre-stock images are uploaded from Pixabay. It's just 4.5 million pre-stock photos, videos, and musics are there. Unisplash has a large collection of high-resolution photos that are hand-selected by teams. Dupe. Dupe also offer a large collection of relevant royalty-free images. Burst. Burst is a free stock photo platforms for entrepreneurs and shopkeepers. So there's a lot of stock marketings which are used to copy the images and audios and videos. You can also download free images from free stocks images. There are Canva and any stock naps. So these are the some editing processes which we are using through. Editing image. Editing image is the PowerPoint offers various image editing tools to enhance and refine your image. Here I have some editing positions or options. So first is crop. You can also trim unnecessary part of your image. You can also resize it, rotate it, flip it. Adjustment is brightness is contrast, color, and having the corrections which have removed red eye, reduce noises, effects, color, text and shapes, and many other which you can assess these editing tools. Select the image and click on the picture tools, tap in the ribbon, then click on the adjust or format tabs to assess the various editing options. So now I'm just going for the different slide for adding and editing charts and graphs. So how do you adding and editing the charts and graphs? So to add and edit and charts and graphs in PowerPoint, you have to follow some steps. That adding chart and graphics, you have to select slide where you want to add the chart and graph. Click on the insert tab in the ribbon. Click on chart or graph from the illustration group. Choose the chart or graph type you want to add. For example, if you want to add the column, line, pie chart, click OK to insert the chart or graph. Editing charts and graphs, select this chart or graph you want to edit. Click on the chart tools tabs in the ribbon. Use the design tab to change the chart or graph type. Adjust the layout and style. Use the data tab to and edit the data source. Update the data range and use the format tab to adjust colors, font, and shapes. Add effect and borders. So here I have some tips regarding this. So use the recommended charts features to let PowerPoint suggest the best chart types for your data. Use the chart elements button to add or remove chart elements, titles, label, and legends. So use the analyze tab to assess advanced analysis tools like trends, forecast. So by following these steps, you can effectively add and edit chart and graphics in PowerPoint to visualize your data and enhance your presentation. Effective visual representations of data. So visual representation of data in PowerPoint can help to simplify complex information and make it easier to understand and interpret data. Highlight trends and patterns. It's reveal insight and relationships that might be hard to see in raw data. It communicate key message and draw attention to important information and support your points. Engage your audience. Visuals are more likely to hold attention than text alone. It enhances understanding and retentions. Visuals can help your audience remember information better. So some popular visual representation options in PowerPoint include chart and graphics, columns, lines, pie, bar chart, bar chart, more charts and graphics are included. Tables, simple condition formatting options. Infographics, visual representation of information and data. Maps, geographic data and visualizations. Icon and symbols, visuals elements to represent data points or categories. Dashboards, so visual represent of the progress of represents performance. Heat maps and tree map, so visual representation of data densities and having the hierarchy. So remember to choose the appropriate visual representation for your data and audience and keep it clear, size, and well designed. So adding chart and graphics to your PowerPoints, just select the slide where you want to add the chart or graph. Click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Click on the chart and the graph from Illustrations group. Choose the chart or chart types you want to add. Click OK to the Insert chart or graph. Select the data source, Excel spreadsheet PowerPoint table. Choose the data range and click OK. Customize the chart or graph as needed and click Apply to changes. So some tips you have to keep in your mind that use the recommendation chart feature to let PowerPoint suggestions the best chart type of your data. Use the chart elements button to add or more chart elements like title, labels, legends. Use the Format tab to adjust the chart or graph appearance. Use the Analysis tab to assess advanced analysis tools. PowerPoint supports various charts, graph types, including column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area, scatter, bubble, radar, waterfall, histograms, box, whisker charts. So there's many charts and graphics are there. So by following these steps, you can effectively add charts and graph to your PowerPoint presentation to visualize your data and enhance your message. So by editing chart and graphs, to select an added chart and graph in PowerPoint follows these steps. Select the chart or graph you want to edit. Click on the Chart Tools tab in the ribbon. Use the Design tab to change the chart and style. Add and remove chart elements. Use the data to tap the edit data source, Excel, for example, Excel spreadsheets. Update the data range, add or remove data series. Use the Format tab to adjust colors, font, and shapes. Add effects and borders, change the background and the grid lines. Use the Analyze tab to assess advanced analysis tools, trend, forecast. Add data labels and intonations. Click OK to apply changes. Some additional tips. Use the recommendations chart features to let PowerPoint suggest the best chart types of your data. Use the chart element button and choose add remove chart elements. Use the format data point options to customize individuals data points. Use the legend options to add or remove legends. Use the data table and options to add or remove data tables. So by using these steps, you can also effectively edit charts and graph in PowerPoint to visualize your data and enhance your presentations. So here I have some tips to creative, effective presentations. Here are some tips regarding this. So define your objective, clear determine the purpose of your presentation, what your messaging you are conveying. Know your audience. So you have to understand their needs, interests, and levels of understanding. Organize your content, use a logical structure and clear heading. Practice your delivery, rehearse your presentation to ensure confidence and clarity. Enhance your audience, encourage interaction, and use storytelling techniques. Use design principles, apply principles of good design to make your slides visually appealing. Use consistent branding, ensure representation reflects your brand identity. Get feedback. Seek feedback from others to improve your presentation skills. Keep it concise, respect your audience time and attention plan. Use technology wisely, use presentation software and tools to enhance your presentation, not distract from it. Remember, an effective presentation is one to communicate that your message clearly engage your audience and achieve your objective. So how you design the tips for professional presentations. Here are some design tips for the creating professional presentations is use a consistent layout, establish a uniform design throughout your presentations, choose a professional color themes and select a color that are appropriate for your brand and audience. Use high quality images, incorporate relevant and high resolution images. Select appropriate fonts, use fonts that are clear, legible, and consistent. Use proper spacing and alignment, ensure text and image are well spaced and aligned. Keep it simple and concise, avoid clutter, and focus on your point. Use visual hierarchy, organizing content using the headings, subheadings, and bullet points. Use chart and graphics effectively. Use them to support your message, not overwhelm it. Brand your presentations, incorporate your brand's identify, including logos and color schemes. Proofread and add, ensure accuracy and consistency in your content. Use appropriate graphics and icons, use them to support your message and not distract from it. Make it an interactive, incorporate engaging element such as eliminations and transitions judicially. For following these tips, designs, you can create a professional and effective presentation that engage your audience and communicates your message clearly. So what is the consistent layout and design? A consistent layout and design in a presentations refers to use of a uniform visual themes throughout the slides. This includes color themes using the same color throughout the presentations, font styles using the same font styles, sizes and color for heading and body text, image treatment using the similar image types such as border frames or shadings, shapings and alignments, maintaining consistent spacings between elements and aligning text and images, slide layout using a slide consistent layout for slides including the placements of title, text and images, transitions and animations using consistent transitions and animations affect throughout the presentations. You can also use the background, which using the consistent background color, texture or image throughout the presentations. Consistency in layout and design, it enhances professionalism. A consistent design give a polished and professional look. It's also improve readability. Consistent formatting make it easier for audience to follow along. It strengthens breadth. Identify, a consistent design in reinforces your brand visuals identify. It's also save time to using the consistent design, save time with when creating new slides or updating existing ones. To achieve consistency in layout and designs, you can also create a master slide. Use a master slide to define the overall designs and layout. Use templates. Use pre-designed templates to ensure consistency. Establish a style guide. Define a style guide that outlines the design elements and their usage. Use high quality image and graphics. So while using the graphics and presentations, which helps you to engage and enhance visual appeals, high quality image and graphics can make your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. Illustrate complex concept, image and graphics can help to explain more complex ideas and make them easier to understand. Support your message, images and graphics can help to reinforce your message and make it more memorable. Add professionalisms, high quality images and graphics can give you your presentation a polished and a professional look. So here are some tips of imaging and graphics to having the high quality. So use high resolution images, avoid low resolutions or pixelated images. Then choose relevant image, select the image that are relevant to your topic and audience. Use appropriate graphics to use that are appropriate for your topic audience, such as charts, graphics, or diagrams. Avoid cliches, means you can also avoid the you overuse cliches, the images such as clip art or generic stock photos. Use image with the proper permissions. Ensure that you can have the necessary permissions of getting the license to use the images. Optimization image is the compressed image to reduce file size and improve loading time. Some popular sources for high quality image and graphics include Unsplash, Plexus, Pixabay, Getimage, Pixpix, and many more. Remember, high quality images and graphics can enhance your presentation to make it more engaging and effective. Keep slides simple and easy to read. See, if you want to avoid the clustered slides, you can also skip all the slides which use difficult things. Keep it limited text. Don't indulge all the things in this presentations. Use clear headings. Do not give any indescriptive headings, and having the clear and descriptive headings to organize the content, which create a visual hierarchy. Choose readable fonts. You can also choose when you are able to use it. Yes, it's fine that I'm able to read it. Use appropriate font sizes and use bullet points and lists. Avoid clutters. Uses white space effectively. Use image wisely. Avoid too much color. And at last, you must do proofread. So by following these guidelines, you can create slides that are easy to read, understand, and engaging with, making your presentation more effective. Preparing for a presentation. So how to prepare for a presentations? You have to follow some steps that define your objective. Clearly determine the purpose and the message of your presentations. Know your audience. See, understand their needs, interests, and level of understandings. Prepare your content. So practice your delivery, what you are going to deliver. Get feedback to make improvements. Record yourself and do the small groups, and discuss with your partners, discuss with your friends, and prepare your questions also. Get familiar with the settings, that what type of presentations location before the actual event is going on. The audio visuals equipments are ensured that working properly or not. Plan for the contingencies, that prepare for what unexpected situations, such as technical issues. Having a backup plan, such as printed versions of your presentations. Get ready to engage, means to prepare, interact with your audience, and having the engaged questions with discussions. Final check, review your presentations on the last time, that ensure that you have all the necessary materials and equipments. So by following these steps, you will be well prepared to deliver a confident and effective communications. So how do you know your audience? See, knowing your audience is a crucial for delivering an effective presentations. With consider the following factor to understand your audience. So first is demographic: age, gender, occupations, education level, and background. Interests: what are their hobbies, passions, and areas of interest. Needs: what are their pains and points, challenges, and goals. Level of understanding: that what is the current knowledge about the topic. Expectations: what are they hoping to gain from the presentation. Values: what are their core values and beliefs. Attitudes: what are their attitude towards the topic or industry. Behavior: how do they behave in a similar situation or when faced with a similar informations. Preferred communication styles: how do you they prefer to receive informations, and having visual, auditory, or text based. So cultural considerations are there are any cultural differences on sensitive you can need to aware of. By understanding these factors, you can tailor your message and content to resonate with your audience. Use language and examples that are relevant and relatable. address potential concerns or objections, create a connections with your audience and build trust, deliver a more effective and engaging presentations. Remember, knowing your audience is the key. Deliver to the presentation that resonates, leaves a lasting impact. Plan your venue. See if you planning your venue when your wide presentations involves considering. So you have to keep in your mind some points that what size you are taking out, what layout you are working on it, how you lightening up the presentation with the audience, how you using the audio visuals and equipments which confirms the quality sounds and visual equipments, if you having internet access or not, how comfortable you are to considering the seatings and temperatures and amenities, restrooms, refreshments, if you have accessibilities, parking and transformations are there, catering is there, technical support is there. If you are having some problems, so technical department will help you out. So by carefully planning the venue, you can also create a comfortable and effective environment for a presentation which ensure a positive experience for your audience. What is the purpose of presentation? The purpose of presentation, the purpose of a presentation can vary depending on the context, but common goals include informing, sharing information, update, or expertise with the audience. Persuading, it is convincing the audience to adopt a particular point of view or take action. Educating, teaching the audience new skills, knowledge, or best practices. Engaging, building relationships, creating and generating interest or foster enthusiasms. Motivating, inspiring the audience to take action or achieve a goal. Entertaining, provide an enjoyable experience such as our keynote speech or TED Talks. Convincing, winning over the audience support or approval, building trust, establishing the credibility and trust with the audience. Generating leads which identify the potential customer or business opportunities. Celebrating and honoring the achievement, milestone, or success. Clearly defining the purpose of your presentation will help you stay focused, create a target message, and achieve your desired outcomes. So, how do you deliver presentations? When delivering a presentations, you have to remember to make eye contact. See, must that it when you are engaging with your audience, you have to build trust. Use confident body language, stand up straight, use appropriate gestures, avoid filtering, speak clearly and slowly, attenuate, vary your tone, and pace your speech. Use visual aids, enhance your message with slides, videos, or props. Engage with your audience, encourage questions and discussions with interactions. Use storytelling techniques, share relatable anecdotes and examples. Use humor. Appropriate humor can help relax your audience and make your message more memorable. Be authentic and passionate. Show your enthusiasms and genuine interest in that topic. Handle questions with confidence. Prepare for potential questions and respond thoroughly. Summarize and conclude. Recap your key points and leave a lasting impressions. Remember to breathe, relax, and enjoy the experience. Your audience want to succeed. How do you engage your audience? To engage your audience during a presentation, try these techniques. Some try to ask questions, encourage audience participations, and spark discussions. Tell stories, share relatable anecdotes and examples that illustrate your points. Use interactive elements with incorporate polls, quizzes, or games to keep the audience engaged. Make eye contact means connect with the individual audience member to build a sense of connection. Use body language, use gesture, facial expressions, and posture to convey enthusiasm and emphasis. Encourage discussions, leave time for question, answers, and foster a dialogue with the audience. Use real-time examples, use case studies and scenarios or demonstrators to illustrate your points. Use humor. Appropriate humor can help the break and ice to keep the audience engaged. Use props or visual aids. Use object, images, videos to support your message and add visual interest. Be authentic and passionate. Show your genuine enthusiasm and interest in the topics, so audience will also make more engaged with you. Remember that engagement is a two-way street. Be open to feedback, questions, and comment from your audience and willingly to adapt your presentation accordingly. What do you mean by effective body language? Effective body language in a presentation includes confidence posture. Stand up straight with the shoulder back and head held high. Purposeful gestures. Use appropriate gestures to empathizing points, such as using your hand illustration or concept. Engaging facial expressions. Use a smile, nod, or other facial expression to show enthusiasm and interest. Make eye contact. Make a regular eye contact with the audience, but also avoid staring too intensely. Open and expansions movements. Use open and expansion movements to convey confidence and enthusiasm. Active listening. Show you are engaged with the audience by nodding, making eye contact, and tittling your hat. Relaxed and natural movements. Avoid fidgeting, cross your arms, or leaning on the podiums. Don't do it. Proper spacings. Use pacings to the emphasize points or add energy to your presentation. Audience engagement, which encourage audience participations with gestures such as inviting them to understand or participate in a poll. Authenticity. See, you have to be yourself. Let your passions and enthusiasm shine you through in your body language. Remember, effective body language enhance your body and your message enhance the audience also. Practice and become aware of your body language to deliver confident and impactful presentation. So what do you mean by time management? See, time management is the effective time management is a crucial for delivering a successful presentation, considering some points. Plan your time wisely. See, allocate your time for each section of your presentation. Leaving some buffer times for unexpected questions or discussions. Stick to your schedule. So try to stay on track and avoid going off on tangents. Practice your timing. See, rehearse your presentation to ensure that can deliver it within the allotted time frame. Leave time for question answers. Allow time for the audience to ask questions and engage in discussions. Be mindful of your pace, avoiding rushing or dragging out your presentation. Use time-saving techniques. See, if you're using visual aids, summaries, and key points to convey information effectively. Be prepared for unexpected questions. Stay calm and composed and don't be afraid. Say, I will get back to you on that if you need more time to think. User a timer, set a timer to keep yourself on track and avoid going through over time. Prioritize your content. See, if you focus on the most important information and avoid unnecessary details, so you can also prioritize your content. Stay flexible. So be prepared to adjust your timings if needed and don't stress if you run slightly over or under time. By managing your time efficiently, you can deliver a well-spaced, engaging, and informative presentation that leaves a lasting impression on your audience. So at last, I just want to conclude the strong conclusions is the essentials to leave a lasting impressions on your audience. So remember to summarize key points, briefly recap the main ideas and takeaways. Recite your message, emphasize your core message and its significance. Provide a call to action. Encourage the audience to take the next steps to engage with your idea. Use a memorable closing statement. End with the thoughts-provoking quotes, personal story, or a memorable phrase. Leave a lasting impression. Use visual aids, props, or a final slide to reinforce your message. Thanks your audience. Express gratitude for their attention and engagement. End on time, respect your audience times, and stick to your scheduled conclusion. Be confident and enthusiastic. See, end your presentation within the same energy and passion you were started with. Encourage feedback. Invite questions, comment, or the feedback from the audience. A smile and take a bow. End your presentation with a smile and sense of accomplishment. So thank you so much.